Grow Ginger in Containers, a complete guide. Hey there, fellow gardeners! Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of growing ginger right in your own home in containers. Imagine having fresh, flavorful ginger readily available whenever you need it. It's easier than you might think, and we're here to show you how. The first step is selecting the right ginger rhizome. You can find these at most grocery stores or nurseries. Look for rhizomes that are plump, firm, and have visible eyes or growth buds. These are the key to a successful start. Avoid rhizomes that are shriveled, moldy, or feel soft to the touch. These are unlikely to sprout. Now let's talk containers. Ginger roots spread horizontally, so choose a wide container. A container that's at least 12 inches wide and 12 inches deep is ideal for giving your ginger plenty of room to grow. Terracotta or plastic pots both work well. Just make sure your chosen container has adequate drainage holes. Ginger thrives in well-draining soil. A good potting mix is essential for healthy growth. We recommend a mix of potting soil, compost, and perlite. This combination provides nutrients and good drainage. Plant your ginger rhizomes too, 4 inches deep in the soil. Make sure you plant them horizontally with the eyes facing upwards. This will encourage upward growth. If you're planting multiple rhizomes in one container, space them about 6-8 inches apart. This gives each plant enough room to develop. After planting, water your ginger thoroughly. This helps settle the soil and encourages root growth. Ginger needs consistent moisture, but be careful not to overwater. Soggy soil can lead to rot. When it comes to sunlight, ginger prefers partial shade. Aim for about 2-4 hours of direct sunlight per day. Too much direct sun can scorch the leaves. To keep your ginger happy and productive, fertilize it regularly. A balanced liquid fertilizer works well. Follow the instructions on the fertilizer package. Fertilize every 2-4 weeks during the growing season. This provides the nutrients your ginger needs to flourish. For an organic option, try compost tea or diluted fish emulsion. These are great natural fertilizers. The exciting part, harvesting. You can start harvesting ginger after about 8-10 months. Look for yellowing and dying leaves. This is a sign that your ginger is ready to harvest. Carefully dig around the plant and gently pull up the rhizomes. You can harvest the entire plant or just a portion, leaving some to continue growing. So there you have it, a complete guide to growing ginger in containers. Remember to choose healthy rhizomes, use a well-draining soil mix, and provide consistent moisture and partial shade. Growing ginger at home is a rewarding experience. You'll have fresh ginger whenever you need it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks. Check out our other videos for more gardening inspiration.